Hey, what's up, guys? Jay with BodyBoss. I'm going to be doing an ab wheel workout for you guys today. First, go through how to assemble it. You'll be seeing these various pieces with it. 2 wheels, a little, I don't know what you would even call this, an in-between piece in the handles. Essentially what you do is take off one of the handles, put the wheel in, the divider, and then the other wheel in. So you got a little bit of spacing in there. This just makes it a little bit more durable than those ab wheels. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you want some extra padding, you can use something like a towel on the ground, put your knees on. I'm just going to use my knees straight, and we'll get started. Okay, so to get started, first thing just on the form, you want to we're slowly extending out, like that. I'm keeping my lower back flat, I'm keeping my chest out, keeping my head up. Breathe it deep in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So that's the form we're going to do. We're not going to do just the ab wheel, we'll predominantly do that, but we'll mix in some planks and things like that as well. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be starting off with 10 wheels out. Ready? 1. Breathe it in and out. Deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm keeping my arms straight, by the way. 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a rest. Just some general tips on the form. Again, I have my arms straight, elbows locked in place. I'm just leaning out. You know, you don't want to arch up or anything like that. You're keeping your lower back straight. Helps keep your chest out and forward. Get a little bit more rest here, then we'll do another set of 10. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. One, deep breaths. Breathe through your nose, breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. 5, let's go. 6, just 4 more. 7, 8, just 2 more. Deep breaths. 9, and last one. 10. Awesome. Another breath there. There's different styles you can incorporate as well. We won't do any this time, but you can also work on the sides, different angles in that sense. We'll incorporate that in like future workouts. For this one, we'll do 1 more set of these and then finish off with some other types of core work. All right, give it another couple seconds. We're gonna start on our 3rd set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Really exaggerate that breath. Breathe in, breathe out. That's going to give you the oxygen to your blood, to your muscles, Just gonna give you the perseverance. Make sure you extend all the way out if you can. You know, I'm not going here, I'm not going halfway. Definitely feeling it more challenging third time around. 6, 7, 8, 2 more. 9, and 10. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set that down for now. You can just finish up with some ab work. So starting off, we'll do some bicycles. So essentially what that is leaning on your back and alternating, moving up your torso, upper body, and your legs. You don't always have to rush these. Typically I see people try to fight really fast. Sometimes it's better just to do slow and controlled movements. So we're gonna do that. Back, in. 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do 20 here. Pulling my belly button back to my spine. Rotating my torso. Breathing deeply. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, go ahead and rest. We're going to immediately go into shin touches. So keeping my lower back flat. You'll be feeling this in your obliques. You're essentially rocking from side to side and reaching your fingers forward as far as you can. Should really be feeling that burn inside. All right, go ahead and rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On this next one, we're going to be reaching up one arm, one leg. Touching up there. We're going to do 15 here. 1, 2. Try to touch your toes. 3, 4. Opposite hand with opposite foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, awesome job. Take a rest. We're going to repeat that cycle one more time. Give it a couple seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to bicycles. Let's go. Slow and control. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deep breaths. 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, another quick breath. We'll go back into those obliques. Then those shin touches. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Again, make sure you're really focusing on the muscles you're using. Rocking back, try to reach as far forward as you can. As much of your fingers as you can on the front of your shins. And rest. All right, deep breath. We got one more of those toe touches. Getting started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your legs straight. Keep that knee locked. And reach up. My upper back is leaving the ground. 6, 7, 9, 5 more, let's go. 13, 14, and 15. Awesome job. Go ahead and rest. We got a third set coming up. Deep breaths. Feel free to take a water break if you need it. We're going to get started in 10 more seconds. Deep breaths. You want to make sure you're breathing from the bottom of your stomach. Really getting to the bottom of your diaphragm all the way up. Just want to fill your lungs up with as much oxygen as possible. All right, getting started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to bicycles. Again, pulling your belly button back to your spine, keeping that core tight throughout the entire exercise. 14, 15, 5 more. Deep breaths. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Awesome job. Short breath. You're gonna attack. Get those obliques. Again, try to get as much of your fingers, as much of your palm on your shin as you can. Without going too much to the side. Now you want to keep your torso locked in place. So your abs are still, my whole torso isn't shifting left or right. Just my upper body, just my shoulders really. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18, 19, 20. All right, go ahead and rest. And our last one. Fingertips to toes. Again, remember, keep your arms straight, keep your knees straight, your knees locked in place. Let's go ahead and get started. We got 15 here. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 12, 13, 14, and last one. Awesome. All right, guys, awesome job. That's our workout for today. Feel free to follow up with something else. If you want to continue doing an extra add-on workout, I know that was a little bit short. This workout came as a special request from Barbara. So if you have any workout requests or anything in particular you'd like to see, just let us know. That's what we're here for. Thanks again.